Every year, businesses waste thousands of hours and lakhs of rupees just keeping up with licenses, permits, and renewals. One missed deadline, and suddenly you're facing fines, shutdowns, or worse. That's why we built compliance management solution-powered multi-AI agents, an AI agent that never miss a deadline again. Here's how it works. Upload your documents once, licenses, contracts, training certs. Our AI agent reads expiry dates, organizes them, and tracks everything in real time. No manual entry. No spreadsheets. Just set it and relax. You'll get smart alerts via email, SMS, or even Slack, so your team stays ahead of renewals. No surprises. No penalties. Whether you're running a factory, hospital, retail chain, or logistics fleet, this isn't just another tool. It's your compliance safety net. We've helped companies cut compliance costs by 80% and eliminate fines entirely. Yours could be next. Stop letting compliance hold you back. Visit www.AIQoD360.com or call 888-850-0058 to transform your fleet operations now.